You are not addicted to your phone. I know everyone says you are, screen time this, digital detox that, but that's not actually the thing. The thing is way weirder. You help people because you need to feel needed. That's the pattern. Okay, so you know that feeling when someone texts you asking for the advice, or when your friend calls like 11 p.m. with a problem and you are the one they call, or your boss says, I don't know what we do without you, and something in your chest just settled. Yes, that feeling, that's not connection. That's not love. That's even not friendship. That's the hit, like neurologically and actually hit. And you're chasing it constantly without even knowing. So here is what very few people talk about phone addiction, or really any of the ways all kind of compulsively attached to being available. It's not about the phone, it's not about the apps, it's about this ancient like wiring in your brain that says if people need me, I survive. If they don't, I'm expendable. Expendable 50,000 years ago meant you're dead, like actually dead, left behind by the tribe. So you're being build this whole reward system to be needed. Someone needs your help, dopamine. Someone asks your opinion, dopamine. You solve a problem that's even not yours to solve, dopamine. And now we have got this near rectangles in our pockets that feel needed 24/7. Not the screen is what the screen promises, proof that you still matters. Okay, let me get a little bit nerdy for a second, because this part actually blew my mind when I first learned about it. Tribes. Human beings evolved in the groups of like 50 to 150 people. That's it. And that was your whole world. And this word is your survival, literally, whether you ate or starved, depending on being useful. Like if you are a guy who knew how to track animal, valued. The woman who knew which plants are for medicine, essential. But if you were not needed, if the tribe could function without you, then your liability from mouth to feed, and they just leave you. So your brain learn being needed is equal to the safety, and is wired so deep that it still run the show today, right now. So when your phone buzzes and someone asking you something, anything, that's not distraction. That's your Asian brain going, thanks God they still need me. I'm safe, not performative, which is kind of messed up when you think about it. So here is when it's get, I don't know, uncomfortable, I guess. This thing, this addiction to being needed is not about checking your phone so much. It shapes everything. The relationship you pick, how many of them are the people who genuinely love you versus the people who just need you? There is a difference. And if you're honest, really honest, sometimes the needing feel better than loving, because the needing is constant. Job you stay in, the one where you're indispensable. The living feel impossible because how everything will be handled if you are not there. That's not loyalty, that's the addiction talking. The favors you say yes to, the boundaries you can't hold, the guilt when you push yourself first for once, all of it. Same root as tiredness you feel at the end of every day, bone deep exhaustion that sleep doesn't fix. It's not from working hard, it's the performing for everyone all the time, hoping that if you just give a little more, they keep needing you. I figured this out myself maybe almost 6 years ago. I was a person everyone came to with everything. Friends drama at 2 a.m. Call me. Work crisis, I will fix it. Family stuff, I am the one who is holding up together. And I was proud of that because, like, genuinely, I thought I'm important until I noticed this one thing. When someone handles something without me, when they figure it out on its own and they did not need my help, I felt almost offended, like, wait, you fine without me? And that's when I realized this is not generosity. This is desperation wearing a mask. I was not helping people because I cared. I was helping people because I needed to feel essential. And that's the really different thing. Okay, so what do you do with this? Now you see it. First thing, just notice it. That's actually the most of the work, honestly. Next time when you reach to your phone, not when you need to, but that automatic reach, ask yourself, what I am actually looking for right now. Is it information or is it reassurance? Am I checking because something matters or because I need to feel out I matter? Just that question, that one pause before you act. That's where the things start to shift. Second thing, this sounds terrible, but stay with me. Fact is disappointing people. I know, I know, but here is the thing. The people who actually love you, they don't need you to be their savior. They don't want you to be fix everything. They don't need you to be available 24/7. They just need you to be you, present, real, not performing. And you can't be that if you're constantly pouring yourself to your place in every room. Your worth is not what you do for people. It's not the problem you solve or the advice you give or how quickly you respond. You're allowed to just exist without earning it. You are not their usefulness. You are not what other people can do. And that voice, the one it says you have to earn your place, prove your values, stay needed, or else that voice is lying to you. You were always enough before you did anything. That's the addiction very few people talk about, but you can see it. That's the pattern underneath it.